Good morning, children. I'm KSN sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Beeson School. In previous class, I have explained topic integers. Today also we have to continue the same topic integers only. So this is a last class for chapter integers, I think so. So we will complete today only integers. So what is our topic today? Integers. In this integers chapter, exercise 1.6, exercise 1.6, fourth problem. In a competitive examination, in a competitive examination, plus 4 marks are given for plus 4 marks are given for one correct for every correct answer, every correct answer, every correct answer. Next, minus 2 marks are given for minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, every incorrect answer, and 0 marks for not attempting the question. 0 marks for 0 marks for not attempting question, attempting question. So not attempting question. So first one, observe the first question. Rahul scored 20 marks. Okay, so Ruchi scored 20 marks. So Ruchi's actual marks. So Ruchi's actual marks is equal to 20. So Ruchi's actual marks is equal to 20. Next, scene. So Ruchi scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, so Ruchi's number of correct answers. So Ruchi's number of correct answers. How many correct answers? 12. So marks given for, so Ruchi's marks for correct answers. So Ruchi's marks for correct answers. That means 12 into plus 4. That means plus 4 means plus 4 only. 12 4s are 48 marks. Next, in this question we have to find how many questions she has attempted incorrectly. So marks given for incorrect. So number of incorrect answers, how many? So Ruchi's number of incorrect answers. So Ruchi's number of incorrect answers we have to find. Let it be x. Okay. Next, Ruchi's marks for incorrect answers. So Ruchi's score for incorrect answers. Okay. So Ruchi's score for incorrect answers. Correct answers. That is equal to, see, minus 2 marks. Each question minus 2. So x into minus 2, that is equal to minus 2x. So we cannot, no need to consider for not attempting. Why? Because 0 marks only for not attempting. So therefore, according to problem, according to problem, 20 marks, that 20 is equal to 48, and this is minus 2x. Okay. So 20 is equal to 48 plus minus 2x. So 20 is equal to 48 minus plus into minus 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 2x. So minus 2x transposed to left hand side, it will become plus 2x. So 2x is equal to 48 minus 20. 2x is equal to 28. Then x is equal to 28 by 2. Then x is equal to 14. Therefore, Ruchi's number of incorrect answers. So therefore, Ruchi's number of incorrect answers, correct answers is equal to 14. So number of incorrect answers how many? 14. I hope you understood very well, children. Okay, note down. Next, this is the A solution. Now still B question is also there. So what is B question? Once I will read. Ruchi scored minus 6 marks in this test. So how much marks? Minus 6 marks. So in this B question, okay, Ruchi scored. So Ruchi's, second one, Rohit. Rohit's actual score. Rohit actual score. Rohit's actual score, that is equal to minus 6 marks. Next, in this test, through he has got 7 correct answers. How many correct answers? 7 correct answers. So Rohit's score for correct answers. Rohit score for 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers. That means 1 correct answer plus 4 marks will be awarded. So 7 correct answers, 7 into plus 4, that means 7 4s are 28 marks will be awarded. So therefore 7 into 4, that is equal to 28 marks. So this is Rohit's score for 7 correct answers. At the same time, how many questions has he attempted incorrectly? So we have to find number of incorrect answers. So Rohit's number of incorrect answers, Rohit's number of incorrect answers is equal to, let it be x, let it be x. Therefore Rohit's score for x incorrect answers that is equal to x into minus 2 so x into minus 2 that is equal to minus 2x. Okay children, now what we have to find? Rohit's number of incorrect answers we have to find. So according to problem, Rohit's actual score minus 6, no, that's why minus 6 is equal to these two we have to add. Which two? So Rohit score for 7 correct answers and Rohit's score for x incorrect answers. These two we have to add. That means 28 and minus 2x. So minus 6 is equal to 28 plus into minus 2x. So minus 2x come to this side, it will become plus 2x. So 28 plus 6. Okay, so 2x is equal to 34, then x is equal to 34 by 2, then x is equal to 17. 17 means Rohit's number of incorrect answers 17. Rohit's number of incorrect answers is equal to 17. Okay children, note down. Next, fifth one. See, Anil deposited rupees 5,000 in his bank. So amount deposited by Anil in the bank is equal to rupees 5,000. So Anil deposits money. Anil deposited rupees 5,000 in his bank account. In his bank account. Next, on one day, and withdraw rupees and withdraw rupees 2,400 on the second day. Okay, so first day he deposited rupees 5,000 and the next day he withdraw 2,400 from 5,000. Okay, next, on the third day On the third day, again he again deposited rupees 1800. Okay, so what was his balance? What was his balance at the end of the third day? At the end of the third day. Okay, so Anil deposits money that is equal to rupees 5000. Okay, next, then withdraw that is equal to rupees 2400. Okay, so total money left that is equal to rupees 5000 minus rupees 2400. Okay, that is equal to rupees 2600 at the end of the second day. Again he deposited 1800. So that 1800 we have to add this 2600. So then deposits again rupees 1800. Next, so now what we have to find, what was his balance at the end of the third day. So the balance at the end of the third day, that is equal to, so rupees 2600 plus rupees 1800, these two we have to add. So 0 0, 8 plus 6 14, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So rupees 4400 is left in his bank account at the end of the third day. Okay children, so this is the fifth one solution. Note down. Next, the sixth question, the product of two negative integers, the product of two negative integers, two negative integers is 420. Okay, if one integer is minus 5, find the other. Okay, solution, the product of two negative integers. So what is the product? The product of the product of two negative integers, two negative integers is equal to 420. Next, one integer, therefore given one integer in this, one integer is equal to -5. Okay, so find the other. So therefore other integer, let the another integer be integer is equal to, so negative integers we have to take, that's why take minus x, but x here, observe here, minus x means x is positive. Why? Because plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, so x is positive only. So x is positive integer, therefore minus x it will become negative integer. X is a positive integer, minus x it will become negative integer. So according to problem, minus 5 into minus x is equal to 420. Minus 5 into minus x is equal to 420. Minus into minus plus, 5 into x, 5x. So 5x is equal to 420. Then x is equal to 420 by 5. 5 8s are 40. 2 left 20. 5 4s are 20. That means x is equal to 84. But we have to find negative integer. Let the another integer minus x. So minus x is the negative integer. Therefore x is equal to 84, minus x is equal to minus 84. Therefore find the other. Therefore the other integer is equal to minus x is equal to minus 84. Okay children, okay, note down. I hope you understood very well. So this integer chapter completed, and one sum I gave the homework. You have to do this. What is today's homework? Exercise 1.6, problem number 4, 5, 6 and 7. One problem I gave you to solve. Okay, this 4 problems you have to do practice, and also in page number 11 examples also. Page number 11 examples. Children, now integers chapter full we have completed, but next one thing you listen, you have a MAT syllabus. MAT means mental aptitude training. What is MAT? Mental aptitude training. This is very useful concept for entrance examination in entire your future. So that reason we have introduced the MAT syllabus also. That syllabus, okay, so after completion of the chapter, we will send 4 or 5 videos MAT also. Okay, that MAT videos prepared by our Ishwara sir. Okay, so we will send you next onwards, so that 4 or 5 videos we will send MAT videos. Okay, you have to follow that MAT videos. Again after that four or five videos. Again, the next chapter I will start fractions. Okay, children. So this one you have to observe. So this is the last video for integers. That's why I explained you why we are sending math. Okay, next class onwards, again 4 or 5 videos we will send you math videos. That math syllabus you have to follow. Math books also available in our store. Okay, already you purchased, I think so. Anyhow, you have to work out the math sums. Okay, okay, children. Thank you everybody.